How to see archived posts on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can see archived posts on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to see archived posts on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then basically launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you want to make sure to just tap the profile icon from the bottom right. Now let's say there are basically some of the posts and pictures that you happen to archive, and now you want to unarchive them. Once you come to the profile page, just tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side and then just go to this option called archive here, as you can see. Once you go to this option called archive, by default you might be under stories archive, and if you want to change to a post archive, you can tap on stories archive and then just switch to post archive. You'll be able to see all of the posts that you've archived in the past, and then you can choose to unarchive them if you'd like. This way you can see archived posts on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.